opening up publicly for the first time about his split and subsequent divorce from Jennifer Lopez, Ben Affleck looked at his playing the family man role. On Saturday, the Academy Award winner and father of three spent some bonding time with son Samuel during a dog walk with his two German shepherds. Delegating responsibility and attention, the actor and director handed over one of the pooches to Sam, while he kept the leash for the other and the duo headed out on their stroll. They proceeded to walk along the quiet suburban streets of Los Angeles as the sunshine threw with the temperature hovering in the mid-60 Fahrenheit. The Good Will Hunting star and co-writer kept it casual cool in the fashion department in blue jeans with a purple t-shirt, burgundy boots and a light grey fleece jacket. Taking the lead, Affleck appeared to be in good spirit, at times flashing a broad smile as he chatted with his wife as they made their through the neighborhood. Sam kept a low profile during the walk, looking sporty in grey sweatpants, brown t-shirt and black Crocs. Their relaxing day together comes just 4 weeks after Affleck's very public divorce with Lopez was finally finalized following their separation 10 months earlier. The Berkeley, California native, who mainly grew up in Massachusetts, appeared to be ready to move forward from his co-called embarrassing second split from Lopez from the sound of his recent chat with British GQ. In a break from his norm, the notoriously private actor shed some light on the breakdown of his marriage after years of staying tight-lipped up out there a mess that oftentimes left many wondering why the sudden change of heart. A source told people that he actually made the decision to speak out about the breakup publicly for the first time because he was so over the narrative that painted him as the bad guy and Lopez the victim. The Batman Alan reportedly also hoped it would give him the closure that he desperately needed and stop the constant question about their split so he can move on and focus on his career and family. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more celebrity updates.